They said cash was king, then they built a world where kings no longer rule. What happens to your freedom, your power, your privacy when money itself turns into invisible? Hi, I am Lakshmi Mahendra. Today I'll show you how the cash in your wallet is slowly fading away and how something seemingly so simple like your credit card may actually be the tool that's been shaping your financial destiny without you even knowing.
This is your wake-up call.
If you don't do what they say, they can turn off your money.
A form of money you cannot see. Central Bank Digital Currencies.
Ladies and gentlemen, buckle your seats up. Let's dive into this journey. They said credit card was about convenience. Swipe a card, buy what you want, no cash, no problem. But what if I told you that credit cards were never about convenience? It is about control. We thought we were holding a tool, but the tool was holding us. Every swipe of that plastic card isn't yours. It is borrowed. And every borrowed rupee carries a price, which is interest. This is the genius of the system. They didn't have to control your income. They had to control how you spend. Credit cards made borrowing feel effortless. Debt became normal, and for the very first time, billions of people lived on money that didn't even exist yet. The banks weren't offering just credit cards. They were selling your future. But the story didn't end with cards. Cards unlocked something more powerful. Data. Every swipe, every purchase, every location is tracked, analyzed and logged. Your credit history decides your loan. Your shopping history decides your ads. Your data decides how much you pay. You thought you were buying a product, but with every swipe, you were the product. In 2016, when the usage of cash was at its peak, something shocking happened. Demonetization. And that event gave birth to a new revolution in payments called UPI.
ATM पर 50 रुपए प्राप्त हुए.
Let me tell you a fact. In July 2025 alone, UPI recorded a staggering 19.47 billion transactions. It now contributes to 85% of digital payments in India. But here's the key. With UPI, the money still sits in the bank. UPI is just the bridge that transfers money from the sender's account to the receiver's account. It's fast, trusted, reliable. They gave us a smooth highway. So smooth that we forgot to look at the person who owned the road. We were too busy tapping and scanning, too busy chasing cashbacks and rewards. While everyone enjoys the smooth ride, someone is already racing ahead to build the next system. And that's exactly what's happening now. In 2022, the Reserve Bank of India launched India's own digital currency. But this time, it's not just a new kind of payment method, it's a new kind of money. See, UPI is just a bridge. Your money stays in the bank and UPI only moves it. But CBDCs, it is the money that is issued by the central bank. No banks in between, just you and your digital wallet. This is very powerful, especially for a country like India. Let me tell you why. 40% of people living in rural India doesn't have bank accounts. So if they want to get any subsidies from the government, they have to circle around bank offices, government offices, middlemen, a lot of issue. But now the government can easily send directly to the digital wallet that every person has, which is in their smartphone. One digital wallet is all you need. Black money gets difficult to hide because every rupee leaves a digital footprint. And when central bank can see the money flow in real time, it can take faster decisions to decrease inflation, control economy, and make economy stable. It sounds very perfect, right? Yes, it is. But here's the part that no one talks about. That is programmable money. CBDCs isn't just digital, it can be coded. Meaning, rules can be built inside the money itself. Money can expire after a date, forcing people to spend. It can be restricted, allowing you to buy certain things, not others. It's traceable, controllable, which is a tool and also a trap. This is where awareness matters. Because this shift isn't just about how you pay, it's about who control the value. When money goes fully digital, privacy shrinks, and the ones who don't understand the system gets ruled by it. When money turns invisible, real power belongs to those who see the invisible. Keep learning, keep pushing, keep moving. I'm Lakshmi Mahendra, signing off.